A traditional lawn can look beautiful, but it often comes with a long list of responsibilities. Regular mowing, frequent watering, fertilizer applications, and seasonal maintenance can quickly turn a simple yard into a demanding project. For gardeners looking to reduce maintenance while creating a more natural and visually appealing landscape, lawn alternatives offer an excellent solution. Many ground covers and low-growing plants require less water, fewer resources, and far less work than traditional turf grass. Today, we will explore 5 low-maintenance lawn alternatives that save water and bring texture, color, and year-round interest to the garden. Let's get started. Creeping thyme is one of the most popular lawn alternatives for sunny locations. This low-growing perennial forms a dense carpet of tiny aromatic leaves that spread gradually across the ground. During late spring and early summer, the foliage becomes covered with masses of small pink, purple, or lavender flowers. The floral display attracts bees and other pollinators while adding vibrant color to the landscape. One of the biggest advantages of creeping thyme is its drought tolerance. Once established, it requires significantly less water than a traditional lawn. The plant also releases a pleasant fragrance when walked on, making pathways and stepping stone gardens more enjoyable. Its compact growth habit helps suppress weeds while reducing the need for mowing. For homeowners seeking a colorful and water-wise ground cover, creeping thyme is often one of the best choices available. Blue star creeper offers a softer and more delicate appearance compared to traditional grass. This low-growing perennial forms a lush green mat only a few inches tall. Throughout the growing season, tiny pale blue flowers appear above the foliage, creating a subtle but charming display. Blue star creeper works especially well between stepping stones, along pathways, and in small garden spaces where a gentle carpet effect is desired. It tolerates light foot traffic and spreads steadily without becoming overly aggressive. Compared to turf grass, it generally requires less mowing and less maintenance. Its fine texture creates a smooth visual transition between hardscape elements and surrounding planting beds. The result is a relaxed, cottage-style appearance that feels both natural and inviting. Sedum ground covers are ideal for gardeners facing hot, dry conditions. These succulent plants store water in their leaves, allowing them to thrive where many traditional lawns struggle. There are many low-growing sedum varieties available, offering a wide range of foliage colors and textures. Some feature bright green leaves, while others display shades of blue, silver, bronze, or red. During summer, clusters of star-shaped flowers provide additional seasonal interest. Sedums require very little watering once established and generally perform best in full sun with well-drained soil. Their ability to handle poor soil conditions makes them particularly useful for difficult areas where grass refuses to grow. The combination of colorful foliage and exceptional drought tolerance creates a landscape that remains attractive with minimal effort. Clover has been used in residential landscapes for generations, and it is making a strong comeback among modern gardeners. Unlike traditional turf grass, clover naturally fixes nitrogen in the soil. This helps improve soil quality while reducing the need for fertilizer applications. Clover stays green longer during dry periods and generally requires less irrigation than conventional lawns. Its dense growth helps crowd out weeds, reducing maintenance even further. During bloom, small white flowers appear throughout the lawn, attracting beneficial pollinators. The soft texture underfoot and natural appearance create a landscape that feels relaxed and environmentally friendly. For gardeners interested in sustainability, clover can provide an effective balance between beauty and practicality. For shady locations where grass consistently struggles, moss may be one of the most effective alternatives available. Moss creates a lush green carpet that thrives without mowing, fertilizing, or extensive maintenance. Its soft texture and rich color bring a peaceful atmosphere to the landscape. Moss performs particularly well in areas with consistent moisture and filtered light. Instead of fighting difficult shade conditions, gardeners can work with nature by encouraging moss to establish naturally. The visual effect is often elegant and timeless. Moss gardens are commonly associated with woodland landscapes and Japanese-inspired garden designs. They create a calming foundation that highlights surrounding trees, shrubs, and decorative elements. For deeply shaded areas, moss can transform a challenging space into one of the most beautiful parts of the garden. Replacing part or all of a traditional lawn can dramatically reduce maintenance while improving the overall character of the landscape. Whether you prefer the fragrant flowers of creeping thyme, the delicate texture of blue star creeper, the drought resistance of sedums, the sustainability of clover, or the tranquil beauty of moss, there is a lawn alternative suited to almost every garden condition. The key is choosing plants that match your climate, sunlight levels, and maintenance goals. With the right ground cover, your landscape can become more resilient, more water efficient, and far easier to enjoy throughout the year. Thanks for watching.